This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the Altcoin Parabolic SUPERCYCLE. Crypto just won't stop. A supercycle is a sustained crypto market bullish run. It involves crypto increasing in value over an extended period, gaining mass adoption similar to the internet and internet stocks after the dot-com bubble. It works more like positive feedback. This is where an asset comes and people suddenly become interested in it. With this interest, the value rises. As the value rises, more people begin to take notice and invest. The more the new people invest, the higher the value rises and the cycle keeps on going. In the typical world, the supercycle is a rise in value sustained for several years, over a decade. However, crypto is not your typical investment. It's a new asset that has broken various traditional asset features. It's also such a highly volatile industry with massive value changes. Therefore, supercycle in crypto is all about coins having a sustained market rise and hitting mass adoption in the long run. While some crypto quarters believe digital currencies are the future, others think it is a mere passing fad that would not amount to mass usage. This leads to the question, is crypto in a supercycle? But before we dive deeper to the Altcoin Parabolic SUPERCYCLE, like this video, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell right now to keep you updated on what's happening on cryptocurrency. Altcoin SUPERCYCLE is beginning and millionaires are buying these coins. Altcoins are posting some serious gains while Bitcoin stays stagnant. This means the second alt season of 2021 is upon us. Well, has the Altcoin SUPERCYCLE 2021 already started? Data founder Nicholas Merton is looking at 5 crypto assets that he believes are gearing up to erupt, as he says the Altcoin SUPERCYCLE of 2021 is underway. In a new video, Merton says that he's keeping a close watch on Ethereum after the second largest crypto asset broke out of a large bullish pattern. We could see here that Ethereum has broken past the line of resistance. We set in yet another higher low along with the other 3 higher lows we had back here since January 2021. We look like we're set on a course to break above those all-time highs. The crypto strategist is also looking at ETH-BTC, which he highlights is still in the midst of a parabolic run. According to Merton's chart, ETH-BTC can potentially surge over 170% from its current value of 0.035 to 0.095. Another coin on Merton's radar is Layer 2 scaling solution OMG Network or OMG, formerly Omi's Go. The trader highlights that OMG BTC has likely bottomed out and it looks ready to take out a key resistance level and print massive gains. After setting another higher low, OMG BTC is waiting to get above 1,500 Satoshis range. Once we break past there, which again was previous support, is now acting as resistance. If we break above there, really, it seems like the sky's the limit, especially how we've seen it perform in the past. Next up is the centralized Oracle platform Chainlink or Link, which Merton says is poised to outperform Bitcoin once it edges above a key level. Taking a look at Chainlink, setting a consistent range lows or support on top of previous resistance, looking like it's ready to start kicking upwards, outpacing Bitcoin and also breaking above this line of resistance at 0.0006, really kicking off the next cycle for Chainlink. The fourth coin on Merton's list is lending and borrowing protocol AV. The crypto analysts believe that crypto asset has likely bottomed out after taking a nosedive against Bitcoin in a span of nearly 2 months. We had a clean 60% pullback here where AV, one of the large-cap DeFi or decentralized finance protocols, probably has some room now to start moving up. The last coin is Tron TRX-BTC. Merton identifies a key level that the pair must take out to generate massive bullish momentum. We've made support in this previous support which is now acting as resistance 0.0000015. If we pop above this, I can see a lot of momentum coming back to this. Moving on, altcoins can run parabolically before Bitcoin acceleration overshadows everyone. As Bitcoin flirts with the R1M mark, several altcoins are showing even greater promise. Bitcoin's or BTC's extraordinary 113% rise since July has brought it to new all-time highs and within firing distance of the R1 million mark. A few years ago, it seemed absurd to suggest Bitcoin would one day trade at R1 million. But now the talk is of the next target, R2 million and even higher. Bitcoin is now worth nearly $1.2 trillion, making it the 8th most valuable asset in the world, placing it just ahead of 9th place Tesla, $1.07 trillion, and just behind silver, $1.36 trillion. Well, where Bitcoin leads, altcoins follow. Bitcoin normally leads the charge in bull cycle runs and has done so again since September this year. But other altcoins, or cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin, have more recently started firing. Since September, Bitcoin has amassed a plus 32% return, leaving most of the altcoins in its wake. During the same time, Ethereum plus 21%, Chainlink plus 18%, Binance Coin plus 4%, Uniswap negative 6%, and Cardano negative 22% have all failed to outperform the old guard. Much of the recent price rise in Bitcoin comes from the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission approval of a futures-based Bitcoin exchange-traded fund or ETF, with at least 9 more expected to be given approval before the end of this year. Pope Robertson explained the traditional flow of funds in the crypto cycle. Bitcoin typically leads the bull run, but when it starts to slow down, investors switch to ETH and other large-cap altcoins, resulting in the so-called altcoin wave. This is primarily driven by the fact that many have made profits on Bitcoin and now look to deploy these profits elsewhere. So, where do they put these funds? Well, they move further along the risk curve to large-cap altcoins such as ETH. This leads us into a period called alt season, where altcoins start to outpace Bitcoin for a period, which can last several months before they too start to slow down, and we see a move back into Bitcoin. Meanwhile, altcoin season is here as Ethereum, Polkadot, and Solana break all-time highs. Ethereum and projects considered Ethereum killers are posting double-digit gains in the current bull run. The overall market capitalization of crypto has crossed $2.89 trillion. Ethereum, Solana, and Polkadot enter price discovery as altcoin season arrives. Historically, altcoin season lasts for several weeks, with most cryptocurrencies in the top 30 getting new all-time high and entering price discovery. A local top in BTC is considered a sign of an upcoming alt season. Bitcoin briefly enters price discovery before the onset of the alt season. FX Street analysts have evaluated the Ethereum price trend and noted that ETH had entered price discovery mode. ETH is heading towards a $5,500 target in the altcoin season. What's going on in the crypto market? The crypto market has had a changing landscape throughout its existence. In the earlier days, most people didn't look at crypto as the investment vehicle it is today. Many people believed they were a mere fad that would disappear after some time. It's only the tech-savvy who believed in the power of crypto and would mine it as a pastime from their personal computers. However, suddenly the crypto boom of 2017 happened, and the crypto world exploded. With various crypto projects hitting billion-dollar market caps, the world was suddenly taking note of the new crypto possibilities. However, this would only run until early 2018, when the bubble burst and the market corrected. Even though crypto would gain and decline, the market never seemed to click like it did in 2017. The market was down such that Bitcoin was trading at around $4,000 by March 2020. The coronavirus pandemic happened. Is the crypto market currently in a super cycle? Even though crypto has been around for relatively few years, the crypto market has already established a market cycle that's easy to follow. The crypto price movement generally relies on Bitcoin, as the other tokens tend to mirror its movements. Bitcoin, on the other hand, depends on the various network activities for its price movements. One of these impactful activities is the Bitcoin halving that occurs every 4 years. The current crypto market is in its parabolic stage. The crypto market is ever growing as new investors keep joining the crypto network. Still, there's no way to tell when it'll reach the correction phase. While the market has had a little setback like the China crypto crackdown, it has since rebounded. Many analysts believe crypto valuations will continue to increase throughout the year. If this is the case, the thesis that this cycle is a super cycle gains more credibility. What does the future hold for the cryptocurrency bull market? Let's know your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.